DEEBOT 605 is a cleaner robot produced by ECOVACS Robotics, and in this video we will unbox the device and demonstrate some of the functionalities and cleaning capabilities. At the end of the video we will showcase as well ECOVACS Home application, which you can install on your smartphone or tablet to manage and monitor this cleaning robot. Robot is made out of the plastic, and on top of the device you can find auto mode button, Wi-Fi indicator and clean mode switch indicator. Dustbin and reservoir release button are visible from the side, and additionally you can find power switch and reset button on the side, as well anti-collision sensors and bumper. On the bottom of the device you can find anti-drop sensors, main brush, charging contacts, side brush adapters and universal wheel, which enables the device to spin in place and get out of the tight spots. Installation of the side brushes is very simple. Just align side brush center with the side brush adapter on the robot and apply the pressure. ECOVACS Home application is not so easy to use for non-technical people, as it requires a series of actions in order to add robot to the app. First, it is necessary to select your robot model in the app and then provide your Wi-Fi credentials. After this, it is necessary to check is robot powered on and then hold reset button for a few seconds and then release it. When device beeps, confirm this an app and app will start process of connecting to the robot. Note that ECOVACS Home app is not available in some countries. When device is connected, it is ready to be used and managed directly from the app. Here is the short overview of the options and functions offered by the ECOVACS Home app. For detailed information about the ECOVACS Home app and available functions, please check the ECOVACS Home page.